Hi there, my name is Corey Damen Jenkins. I'm an interior designer in New York City, and welcome to my client's home here on the Upper East Side. My client's mandate for our firm was to completely transform this pre-war apartment into a beautiful jewel box. And we are absolutely thrilled with the outcome, and I know you will be too. Let's go check it out. And that jewel box factor immediately grabs you here in this maximalist front hall. The walls are wrapped in this incredible de Gournay wall covering, and these different motifs represent my client and her family. We had to lower the ceiling a few inches to make way for two fantastic chandeliers. We then mirrored the ceiling with hand-applied hexagonal tiles, which gives the illusion of greater height when you walk into the space. And now, let's go check out the dining room. Check out this arched doorway. It's architectural, it's got this great statement-making quality about it, and it just truly beckons and welcomes you into this space. Sometimes when you have a fireplace centered in a room, you have negative space on each side of it. But because my client enjoys entertaining, we decided to fill these two cavities with custom designed banquettes. And you can't talk about the dining room without the dining room table, right? We went for something that's a bit more modern, more clean line. And of course, the chairs are upholstered in a beautiful linen that kind of matches the walls. We have to talk about the grande dame. Definitely this 1920s palmetto chandelier. It's glamorous, it's maximalist, it makes a powerful statement. And I love how it reflects off of the lacquered ceiling. I wrapped the walls in this family room with this luscious Gracie wall covering. And then we wrapped the ceiling with a green grass cloth. And here we have three really fun Art Deco style chandeliers that almost look like floating solar systems. We wanted to create this little vignette. It's basically half banquette, half sofa. And then of course this bergère, which is wrapped in this tiger stripe velvet, very sexy and designed by yours truly. And of course sometimes you might want to drink. And so we designed nearby this fantastic wet bar. The mixing and matching brings vitality, energy, and it makes everything feel timeless. My client's daughters have two very different personalities. The eldest daughter wanted a bedroom inspired by the TikTok theme Coastal Granddaughter. It's like a dreamy weekend away in the summer. The younger daughter wanted a darker, moodier vibe inspired by Wednesday Addams. The design is transitional enough for her to enjoy for years to come. And here in the primary bedroom, we took inspiration from the haute couture fashion runway. Romantic, elegant, timeless. We wrapped this room with another fantastic Gracie wall covering. And once again, we went with a nature theme. And this bed is all about bringing Art Deco vibes, thanks to this beautiful silk pattern on the headboard. And we partnered the headboard with an Art Deco chandelier, which features ropes of acrylic. But I know what you really want to see is what's right over my shoulder, the walk-in closet. And this is a walk-in closet that puts a spring in your step. And let's face it, everybody looks pretty in pink. Because when you look good, you feel good. There are glamorous elements of marble, brass, and lacquer, and of course, mirrors all around. So I hope you really enjoyed this tour of my latest project. It was adventurous, it was joyful. In fact, I loved it so much I got the front cover of my new book. See you on the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.